Everyone. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress through Softaculous software. So right now, this is a dummy domain which I already have, and I have logged in inside the control panel of this website. Right now, this website has nothing inside it. It's just showing me index of. Now I will install a WordPress website inside it. So you have to go to the Softaculous app installer, and then you have to click on the WordPress. After clicking on the Softaculous WordPress app, there is a install button which you can install it, and I am clicking it. Now it is showing me that you have to choose the installation URL. So right now I am using a single URL so that my canonicalization does not affect. So I'm using HTTPS right now here, and it is showing me that in which directory you want to upload it. So if I write it WP, then my WordPress will be installed in talentcorp.com/WP. But I want to install it in the root folder, so I will just remove it. Here it is showing me the latest version, so I am clicking on the latest version, and here's the site name. So I'm just typing my site name over here, talent corp, and here you can write a description. All talent people. So this is a dummy website, so I'm writing everything dummy over here. Now here you can write the admin and you can give a password. So I will not write admin as a username because hackers might be able to hack you very easily. So I can change it to something else. And here's the password. Never write a weak password. So I am generating a password for myself. Here's my password. Here's my username. I can just paste it somewhere. So I'm pasting my username and my password. Now you can write your email ID over here. So you can keep it admin. If you have already created an admin email, then you can do that, or you can leave it. Now after it will ask you to select plugin. So if you don't want to select any plugin, then that's okay. Now I will just click on the install button. I'm not installing any themes from here. So it will take some time. It's showing me that username has provided invalid characters. So I think I need to remove this. And your WordPress is installed successfully. Now when I click on the website link, it will show me a website. Earlier it was showing me this. At that point of time the website was not installed. Right now there is a default theme and our website is over there. It's a default theme, and then I can click on the admin and it will take me to the admin panel. Yes, so that's it. That is how we install WordPress to our domain using Softaculous. Thank you for watching.